my little friends. Today we will learn about the animal babies. All the animals, just like us, also have babies. And animal babies are also known as the young ones or the offsprings. So let us start with the domestic animals. We will learn about babies of domestic animals. This is a cow. Cow baby is calf. Let us see a real picture. Cow with a calf. This is a horse. Horse baby is called a foal. Real horse with a foal. This is a pig and pig baby is called a piglet. Pig, piglet. Dog and dog baby is called a pup. Dog, pup. This is a cat. Cat baby is called a kitten. Cat, kitten. This is a goat. Goat baby is called a kid. A real goat with a cute kid. This is a duck with her babies duckling. Duck, duckling. This is a hen with her babies chicks. Hen, chicks. This is a sheep with her young one lamb. Sheep, lamb. This is a donkey with a little colt. Donkey and baby donkey is called a colt. Let us learn about the wild animals and their babies. Lion and baby lion is called a cub. Lion, cub. So here is a tiger. Tiger baby is called a cub too. Tiger, cub. Monkey and cute little monkey baby is called an infant. Monkey, infant. Deer with a fawn. Deer, fawn. Fox with the baby pup. Fox, pup. Crocodile and the baby crocodile is called a hatchling. So here is the real crocodile with a little hatchling in his mouth. Elephant and baby elephant is called a calf. Elephant, calf. Hippopotamus. The baby of hippopotamus is also called a calf. So here is a hippopotamus with a little calf. Kangaroo. Kangaroo baby is called a joey and he lives in the little pouch in the tummy of his mom. Kangaroo, joey. Bear, cub. Bear and baby bear is called a cub. Snake and little snakes are called snakelet. Snake with a little snakelet. Owl. Owl babies are called owlet. Owl, owlet. Butterfly and the little butterfly baby is called caterpillar. See the real butterfly with a real caterpillar. Frog. Baby frog is called tadpole. Frog, tadpole. Bird with her nestling. Bird with little babies called nestling. Giraffe. Giraffe baby is also called a calf. Giraffe, calf. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you had a great time and learned about all the animals and their babies. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Also, leave your wonderful comments below on what type of videos would you like to see on our channel. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.